Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thanks for your warm support to my channel and keep on supporting so that I can keep on making more videos. And if you are first time visitor to my channel and if you have still not subscribed to my if you are first time visitor to my channel and if you have still not subscribed if you are first time visitor to my channel and if you have still not joined our Telegram group, I have posted the links for our Telegram group in the video below. Here we discuss about possible trading opportunities and support each other on trading ideas. Today I'm going to be doing daily technical analysis on Euro USD currency pairs. So I'm going to start from the daily time frame and slowly go down to the hourly time frame and 30 minutes time frame. Let us analyze the short term trading range in 30 minutes time frame. So I'm on daily time frame now. Let us mark support and resistance areas in daily time frame. So we already know that this area is actually acting as a strong support and this is the resistance area. This is where the market started its uptrend. So this will be acting as a resistance area. Presently when we notice it, market is actually trying to breach this area. It's trying to break this resistance area and start its uptrend. Overall, in daily time frame when we notice it, it is on a downtrend. There is a dynamic support which is running from top to down and it is acting as a dynamic resistance. And earlier I had also explained that there is a internal dynamic support. This one is a support. It has broken this support line. It went and tested this present dynamic resistance. Then the market started trending down and took support in the earlier support line. Now market has again bounced back. So that is the scenario for now from the daily time frame. And when we notice it here also, the market is actually on a clear uptrend. It is actually retracing to the uptrend. Let us analyze the currency pairs in hourly time frame. So here I am in hourly time frame now. In hourly time frame, I can notice that this currency pairs is traveling on an uptrend, very strong uptrend, and it is moving in a channel pattern. So it has started its uptrend from here, tested this resistance here, again downtrend, again tested this lower support. Now again it has started going on uptrend and tested this resistance. Presently it is on a downtrend. Presently when we notice it, it is on a downside and trying to test this support area here. You can see that it broke here and again retraced and took support on this support area and again went up. Presently again it is trying to retest on this support line here. So this is presently acting as a strong support for the 1 hour time frame. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame and mark the trading ranges. I'm in 30 minutes time frame now and it is very clear that it is within the resistance area from higher time frame and it is struggling to break this resistance area. It has taken a lot of effort to go up. Then again it took resistance at this dynamic channel pattern and it is actually bouncing back. You can see that it is losing upside momentum and presently the trend is on the downside. It is retracing back. It hasn't retraced 100% to this previous high, and we know that previously it has taken support over here. And if the uptrend still continues, if it manages to break this area, we have the dynamic resistance from daily time frame. This is a strong dynamic resistance. So we'll have to wait and see whether it will manage to break this resistance area and then go towards the dynamic resistance from daily time frame. Let us mark the trading ranges. So from here the uptrend started. So I'm taking Fibonacci's retracement because the market has reached there. Now it is actually retracing. So we use the Fibonacci's retracement tool to measure the retracement levels. The trading ranges are going to be the upside resistance is here and presently the market is actually retracing. It is on a downtrend. Next resistance is going to be here. It has to break this resistance or support level to actually start its uptrend. We have also support from the higher time frame running over here. Next support is going to be at this level. 1.16207 is going to be the next support. If it breaks that support level, this is going to be the next support. 1.16083 is going to be acting as a next support. the market is on the uptrend, but presently it is retracing. It has to, the market doesn't move on a straight line. So now it is retracing, and if it is within this channel pattern from hourly time frame, we can see the market to bounce back and continue its uptrend. Although it is retracing, I'm hoping it will take support in one of these levels here and start its uptrend. That is my expectation. Let us hope that it doesn't break this channel pattern and trend reversal happens within this channel pattern. So these are all the trading ranges for now. I'll come up with other videos when these ranges get broken.